We jamming over here behind the scenes. All right, back with more Island Life Live. Davey D. Lena Girl is on vacation. Her titas are here representing for her. We got Kumu Hina and Bella Fino from Muina. Also Kumu. Kumu Bella is with us as well. All right, sisters. There's a lot of anxiety, of course, that's running through the islands with the U.S. federal government shutdown and federal workers being furloughed. And then on Saturday, the suspension of the SNAP benefits. So we are praying that the shutdown ends.
That's right.
Soon.
Lava.
Yes.
But I wanted to start with, you got to hear this, with something that can make us all smile.
Thank
Take a look.
you.
Look at this. These two local brothers, construction workers, dancing, and then they're directing traffic. Watch, yeah, isn't that cool? Aww. And the guy who posted this is the surf professor, and he captioned the video on Instagram with, "The reason why I was late to work today." Jay, keep them going over here. You see brother over there. Bro, they get the dance moves over here.
Oh, love
Right
that.
on, right on.
You jam, brothers. Okay.
I like that. That is so cool. All right, check this out. This police officer forgot part of his uniform.
Oh.
Take a look.
Okay.
Yes, Officer Jackson, badge number 3919,
Okay, see, yeah.
out of the 12th precinct.
You got some pants on, officer?
Sir, they're in the... No, sir.
You heard the judge. He called him cuz, and then he realized, like, well, this is a formal proceeding, so let me call him officer. But you can see him. He doesn't have pants on right now. He just, the police officer is going viral for that virtual court appearance because he only had the top half of his uniform and then just a pair of underwear. And I believe the prosecutor or the public defender was the one who first pointed out, said, Is he wearing pants, Your Honor? And then the judge.
Oh, yeah, me too. I
was
sorry.
okay.
Okay.
We try to make. You're gonna Google him.
Yeah.
Bella's
You know
husband
what?
is an officer, is a police officer.
He better have his pants on. Okay? Yes, please. Put your pants on.
All right. By the way, the Detroit Police Department is investigating and plans to remind officers about proper court etiquette and attire.
Jeez.
Now, actor Temuera Morrison, I love him. You know him, right?
Yeah, you kind of explained who he is. Sorry. Yes, Once We're Warriors.
Once We're Warriors.
Gee.
He ditched his pants in favor of a model in season 1 of Chief of War, right, Kumu Hina?
Yes, he
like that?
did. And I watched it all.
And now he has a new television show debuting in a few days called Earth Oven. Take a look.
I'm Temuera Morrison, and I'm hungry.
I know him.
Look at that. See, you know him,
know
Bells. Look at that. So this is all about earth ovens, and Morrison takes us on a round-the-world adventure exploring ancient earth oven traditions from Jordan to Aotearoa. Kumu Hina, you want to bring some insight to imu or umu?
Yes.
What's the difference, by the way?
Whether you pronounce it imu or umu, it is the concept of cooking under the earth, and of course, depending on where in the Pacific, people have adapted and taken that concept and now can use drum containers. But same concept, just faster cooking time. But it's really a wonderful way to eat, and the flavor of the food is so, I can't describe it, you just have to have it.
Yeah,
and,
I agree.
And also when you think about eating that kind of food, it really is delicious. It cooks all the way through if you cook it properly. Yeah.
Amazing.
I'm sorry, I'm still on
I'm hungry
I'm
now.
on the instant pot. I cheat. I get the instant pot with the liquid smoke.
Okay.
Not the same, yeah, Kumo.
No, not the same.
Quite
This is
the
real,
same, right?
real
Yes.
flavor.
Yes,
Maulino,
so yummy. Yes.